Okay. Bardawil, are you with me?
Yes, I am with you.
Yeah. So this plus here in question 7, guys, this plus here is by wrong. They forgot it. That's all. It has nothing. Okay, just erase it. Now we have subtraction equation. What we will do, ya Ahmed, to solve?
We will
talk.
add. Mr.
We rewrite the equation يا مستر. How many times we said that? يا حبيبي كم مرة حكينا اكتب الايكويجن مرة ثانية. Z minus 9 and 1 over 3 equal 1 and 5 over 9. Now what we will do يا أحمد?
We will add 9 and 1 over 3 to both sides.
ممتاز. Plus 9 and 1 over 3 plus 9 and 1 over 3. Line. And these are gone. Still what? Z equal. And we will add these two mixed numbers. Do you have a problem in adding mixed numbers?
No.
No. So the answer of Z will be 10 and 8 over 9. Okay? Got it?
Got it.
يا ابني احكي خليك نشيط واحكي. Question what now?
Mister, I got it, but my mic, my voice
Question
is
what
late.
يا ابني? Question what? Which question? The other question.
Question 8.
Question 8. Talk. What is it?
5 and 1 over 2 equal b minus 12 and 1 over 4.
12 and 1 over 4. Right. What's the first step? What's the first step?
We will write the equation another time.
Well, b minus 12 and 1 over 4. Now, what we will do?
We will add 12 and 1 over 4 to both sides.
12 and 1 over 4 plus 12 and 1 over 4, right? These are gone. Still b equal. Do you have a problem in adding mixed numbers?
No.
So the answer will be 17 and 3 over 4. So what's the problem here? What's the problem? Hello? راح. طيب. This is question 7 and 8 for Ahmad. Hope you got them. Abdul Rahman.
Thanks. A question of you said to Ahmed Bardawi.
Which question of them?
I would have a question 7.
7?
Yes.
About the plus here?
Yes.
Guys, in question 7, you have a plus here. This is by wrong. Just erase them. Ignore it only. Okay? Else?
Okay. Nothing.
Else, guys? Good. طيب. Abdul Hamid, do you have any questions?
No, mister. Thank you.
طيب. Now, let's start our lesson, guys, which is one-step multiplication equations, page 359. Now, leave everything and just take a look to me here, please. Leave everything, guys. Leave everything and just focus with me here. We are on page 359. Just prepare your book, leave it, and take a look to your screen here. Now, what we did before, guys, until now, we took two types of equation. Addition equations and subtraction equations. Okay, addition and subtraction. An example for addition equations like x plus 4 equals 17. An example for the subtraction equation like x minus 4 equals 17. This is addition equation. The variable is x. The connected number is plus 4. This is subtraction equation. The variable is x. The connected number is negative 4, right? Now, how we do these two types of equations? We rewrite the equation again. X plus 4 equals 17. Now, If we have addition, we subtract the connected number from both sides, line, then these are crossed, still x equal 17 minus 4 is 13. This is the solution. To check our solution, go back to your equation, replace x by your number, then add 13 plus 4 is 17, so you are done. Here, the variable is x, the connected number is minus 4, so we rewrite the equation x minus 4 equals 17. Then we add the connected number in both sides. These are gone, still x, 17 plus 4, 21, we are done. Okay, now, when we have addition, we do subtraction. When we have subtraction, we do addition. Addition and subtraction, they are opposite operations. We call them opposite operations. Today, we will take what? Multiplication equations. One step multiplication equations. Now, let's remember in algebraic expression, guys, when we say 3m plus 4, for example, 3m means what? If you remember, we said it's a 3 multiply m. The multiplication sign, we don't write it between the number and the variable. And what we call the 3, if you remember, we call it coefficient. We took that, I think, at the end of the last semester, coefficient. And what we call the 4, if you remember, we call it constant. I think you remember that. So if we have something like 7y, this is multiplication, 7 multiply y. The 7 is the coefficient. The 7 is the coefficient. Now, what's the form? Or if we have a multiplication equation, what we will do? Now, for example, in the multiplication equations, example about the multiplication equations. For example, 3m equal 21. 3m equal 21. It's not a 3 plus m like the addition, or a 3 minus m like the subtraction. It's a 3m. 3m means 3 multiply m. Or for example, 18 equal 6y. 18 equals 6y, 6 multiply y. So if you have multiplication, we call it one-step multiplication equations. Now, how we solve the multiplication equation? We said in the addition, we subtract. In the subtraction, we add. In the multiplication equation, what we will do, guys? N one-step multiplication equation. What we do? Divide both sides by the coefficient. So in addition, we subtract. In subtraction, we add. In multiplication, we divide. Here, we subtract the connected number. We add the connected number. Here, we divide both sides. It's important. Both sides by the coefficient. What is the coefficient now? The coefficient, it's the number which is multiplied by the variable. Here, the coefficient is a 3. Here, the coefficient is 6. The number which is multiplied by the variable. Let's apply this idea on these two equations and solve them there. For example, solve the following equation. The first one, 3m equal 21. 3m equal 21. The second one, 18 equal 6y. 18 equal 6y. Now let's apply the idea. Let's apply the idea. The first step, rewrite the equation. 3m equals 21. Now let's read our note here. In one-step multiplication equation, divide both sides by the coefficient. Where is the coefficient here? It's a 3. So we'll divide both sides by the coefficient, which is a 3. I will divide both sides by 3. But I will use the fraction form, not this sign. Okay, this is division. But I will use the fraction form like this, exactly like this. And you will do it like this. Divide both sides by 3 like this. Divide by 3. And here also divide by 3. Okay? Now let's simplify. Now 3 divided by 3 is 1. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 1 multiply m, m. Equal comes down, means the 3's are gone. Now 21 divided by 3 is 7. So the solution of this equation is m equals 7. Now, to check our solution, go to your equation, replace m by 7. Not 37, no, it is 3 multiply 7, which is 21. Let's do the other one. 18 equals 6y. Here we have multiplication, means it's multiplication equation. In multiplication equation, divide both sides by the coefficient. It's important. What's the coefficient? It is the number which is multiplied by the variable. Here, where is the variable y? What's the number multiplied with it? 6. So this is the coefficient. So the first step, rewrite the equation. 18 equal 6y. Now the coefficient is 6, so I will divide both sides by the coefficient. Divide by 6, divide by 6, like this. Now, the 6 and the 6, 6 divided by 6, it's 1. 1 multiply y, still y. These 6's are gone. The equal comes down. Now, 18 divided by 6 is 3. Y equal 3, we write it like this. Y equal 3. This is our solution for this equation. To check our answer, replace y by the 3. It will be not 63, no, it is 6 multiply 3, which is 18. Let's revise. In addition equations, we subtract the connected number, both sides. In subtraction equation, we add the connected number, both sides. In multiplication equation, we divide both sides by the coefficient. And if we divide on the same number, we call it division property of equality. So here, 3m equals 21, rewrite the equation, the coefficient is 3, divide by 3 both sides. Here, 18 equals 6y, rewrite the equation, the coefficient is 6, divide by 6 both sides, then simplify. This is how we do the multiplication equation. I'll give you another example. Then I will receive your questions. Example, solve the following equation. For example, 0.5 t equals 32.25. Now, let's rewrite the equation. This is multiplication, nothing here. So 0.5 t equal 32.25. Now, where is the variable t? What's the coefficient? 0.5. In one-step multiplication equation, divide both sides by the coefficient. So I will divide both sides by the coefficient, like this. Now 0.5, gone with 0.5, it's 1. 1 times t, only t. Here, do long division. We took how we divide decimal by decimal. And if we have fractions, we took how we divide the fractions. So don't be scared when you see decimal or fraction. Don't be panic, okay? We took that before. Now let's make long division. 32 divided, decimal 25 divided by 0.5. Now in the divisor, we said we need no decimal here. The divisor should has no decimal. So I need to push the decimal 1 digit to the right, and here also we did that before. The new numbers will be 3, 2, 2, decimal 5, and here 5. Now make long division normally. 32 and 5, 6, 30, subtract 2, 2, 4, 20, subtract 2, decimal, put it up, 5 down, 5, 25, subtract 0. So the answer is 64.5, the value of t, 64.5. This is how we do multiplication equation. I'll give you another example about the fractions. If we have fractions, focus guys, focus. Solve example. Solve the following equation. 3 over 5 equal 1 over 2 m. Now, what we have between 1 over 2 and m, we have nothing, mean it's multiplication. So I will rewrite the equation again. 3 over 5 equal 1 over 2 m. Now, what is the variable? The variable is m. What is the coefficient? 1 over 2. In multiplication, we divide both sides by the coefficient. So I will divide both sides like this, by the coefficient itself. These are gone. Now in this side is still m, and the equal comes down. Now I will divide the 3 over 5, divided by half, sorry. Now I will divide the 3 over 5, divided by half. 3 over 5 divided by half. I will do it by side. 3 over 5 divided by half. And we took a long time ago a lot of division of fractions. The first fraction will stay the same. The division will be multiplied. This is flip it, 2 over 1. This will be 6 over 5. Long division, it will be 1 and 1 over 5. This is the answer. Put it here. 1 and 1 over 5 means m equal 1 and 1 over 5. Any questions? Yusuf. معلش Yusuf, put your hand again. I remove it by mistake. Muad. Yes, Muad, ask.
No, I wanted to tell you that this was learning of the cup.
I can't hear you, Yabni. I can't hear you.
I wanted to tell you that
Ask, mister. What's your question?
I want to tell you that the this was lagging.
Mister, this is not my problem. Else, do you understand now?
Yes, sir.
Do you understand the lesson, Habibi?
Yes.
Goodbye. Thank you. طيب. Yusuf.
Mister, you made a mistake in 0.5. Yeah, this equation. Division.
In the
You wrote-
division.
Yeah.
ليش يا زلمة؟ أنا عملت mistake.
Yeah, you wrote 3 minus 3 equal 2.
إيه أنا.
Yeah.
Oh my God. Let's check. يلا. 32.25 divided by 0.5, right?
Yeah.
Now we push the decimal 1 digit in both, right? It will be
Yeah.
3 2 decimal 5 divided by 5, right?
Yeah.
Now 32 divided by 5, 6. 30, صح?
Yeah. You wrote
Subtract
here
2.
equal 22. No, equal 2 only.
Then we will push the 2 down, يبني. It will be 22.
Okay. I forgot.
شفت عاد؟ بتجيب لي هدية.
I forgot.
بتجيب هدية ماليش دخل.
Okay.
طيب else عمر.
Mr. I understand everything, but I don't understand the fraction.
خير ماله الفراكشن؟ شو احكي.
ما فهمته.
ليش؟ Where is the coefficient?
The coefficient 1/2.
Divide on 1/2 both sides, right?
Yes.
These are gone. Still what here? M.
The M.
And here what we will do here? What's this?
1/2 divided
لا
3.
ليش تبلش من تحت حضرتك؟ مش فاهم.
3/5
divided by
1/2.
هاي. I did the division. عندك مشكلة بالdivision؟
لا.
طيب ايش مشكلتك؟ فهمني يلا. What? Tell me. Hello? راح. عمر.
Yes.
ما تحكي يا ابني. What's your problem?
كنت مش فاهم بس هسه فهمت خلاص.
سبحان الله. ماشي. ماشي يا عمر. طيب else. عبد الحميد.
Sorry, Mr.
انت كل مرة سوري.
No, because
مرة sorry.
Mr. I was raising my hand because your camera was lagging and I did not.
Sir, it's not my problem the camera is lagging. Don't put your hand while I'm receiving your questions if you don't have a question. How many times we said that?
I'm
Thank you.
sorry.
Don't be. معاذ. معاذ. بطل يحكي معاذ. طيب. ما بتضيع وقتي انتم. بتضيع وقتي وبتضيع وقتكم معي. Now, this is the one-step multiplication equation. How we do it? Hope. I wish. I wish. I wish for you or from you to watch the video again after Abdul Hamid will send it to me and copy it, guys. Copy these things. Copy it in your copybook. Copy it. It's important. Watch the video again. Watch the video again. Okay? And copy these examples. Copy the idea. Copy this note. Copy the revision to examples. And copy these examples and solve them. Okay? It's important. Copy them in your copybook or your extra papers, whatever you have. So this is the one-step multiplication equation. Hope you understand it. Let's go to our book now. Yeah, we are on page, I think 359. Skip it. Go to example 1, page 360. Example 1. Example 1, page 360. Read يا عبد الرحمن. يلا.
Okay, write multiplication equation. Vincent and some friends share the cost of a season ticket package for
Wait
the local.
بالله. Wait يا حبايبي. Wait يا mister. I need to close the door. Wait. Okay, عبد الرحمن. Again, please.
Vincent and some friends share the cost of season tickets package for a local team. The package cost 754.
Wait يا ابني انتوا يا اخي انا مش نفسي افهمكم انا. طب tell me what you understand from the question. Nothing. I don't understand. For me, I don't understand. Don't read it quickly, mister. And try to read slowly so you understand the question. It's important. Vincent and some friends, Vincent and some friends want to share the price or the cost of the package, right? Of the tickets. What's this mean? What's this mean? This means Vincent and his friend, for example, if the price of the package, $30, okay? خلاص? And we have 5 friends. معي انت يا عبد الرحمن؟
Yes.
They want to share. They want to share means each one will pay the same amount of money, right?
Yes, which is 6.
So, which one? Each one will pay how much?
6.
6. صح?
Yes.
6, right? Means
Yes.
5, the number of the friends, right? Multiply the money of each one, which is 6, should be equal the total cost, which is what?
30.
فاهم the question هلا?
Yes.
Hope all of you understand this idea, guys. When we share, we need to pay the same amount of money. Continue.
Okay. The package cost 745.
Okay, the total cost is 745 what?
Dollars.
Continue.
And each person contribute 186.
Contribute. What's the meaning of contribute? Will pay, يعني. Will share. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. How much?
186.25.
Good. Each person or each friend will pay or will contribute. قديش يا مستر؟
186.25.
$0.5.
25.
So the total cost is 745.
Mr.
Each friend
25.
here 25.
No, in 186.25.
ماشي يا مستر. Now each person or each friend will contribute by $186.25, right?
Yes.
Continue.
Write a multiplication equation that can be used to find how many friends contribute.
Good. Do we know the number of the friends?
No.
No. Here in our small example here, I gave you the number of the friends. I told you it's 5 friends, right?
Yes.
Up here, do we know the number of the friends?
No.
What we call it?
F.
F. Let F be, it's a variable, the number of the friends, right?
Yes.
Now focus with me. Here I said the number of the friends multiply each one pay is the total cost, right?
Yes.
I will apply it here. The number of the friends, F, multiply how much each one will pay?
Will pay 186.25.
Good boy. And if you multiply the number of the friends, multiply this number, the answer should be what? The total cost. 745 $745. مش هيك؟
Yes.
Now, how we write the multiplication here? We put the coefficient always at the first. So it will be 186.25 F like this equal 745. This is our equation. Done, ya, mister?
Okay.
This is our equation. Now, how will we solve this equation?
We will rewrite the equation.
Good. Rewrite the equation again. Now, so I will rewrite the equation again. 186.25 F equal 745. Then, what I will do?
We will divide 186.25 from both sides. We'll make
Excellent.
fraction.
Divide on the coefficient from both sides, right?
Here.
Gone. Still F equal, and if you divide these two numbers, The answer will be, I will check. 100, we said 745 divided by 186.25. The answer will be 4. Exactly 4. 4.
We have 4
So
friends.
how many friends we have?
4.
4 friends. Each friend will pay 186.25. The total of the money will be $745. Do you understand that?
Yes.
This is example 1, guys. Hope you understand it very well. And I will stop at this point today. Don't do the homework. Don't do the homework. We didn't finish the lesson yet. Tomorrow, inshallah, we will finish the lesson and you will do the homework also. Thank you so much. And if you have any questions about the ideas of today, you can ask me tomorrow. Goodbye for all.